Hi everyone, Josh here. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare your lead list to work smoothly with Charge for Outlook. All tabs should have titles. We highly recommend that your first tab is designated for email addresses and is titled either email or emails. In this column, you should add the email addresses of your leads. As an example, I'll add an email of my colleague. To personalize your email templates further, consider adding more details about your leads in additional columns. Information such as the recipient's first name, last name, or the company they work for can be quite useful. Note that it's okay to have spaces in the column titles and the data entries, except in the email addresses. Column titles can also be bold, it doesn't affect the process. Typically, your leads list will consist of more than one contact, so to avoid error markers later on, ensure every row is filled out completely. While emails can be written with capital letters, avoid inserting spaces within an email address. Additionally, ensure there are no stray symbols like a dot at the end of the address. It's crucial to double check this. The goal is to have only clean, usable email addresses in this list. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, reach out to our support team or write your comments here.